Um, Look, we understand that the European Union has now instituted what is called a EU digital COVID certificate for exempting restrictions on the movement of vaccinated people. Our expectation is that Indians who have been vaccinated through our domestic vaccination program would be treated at par with those vaccinated in the EU, and the COVID vaccination certificate would be recognized by the EU on a reciprocal basis. As you are aware, such COVID vaccination certificates can be authenticated on the COVID website itself. We are in touch with EU member states in this regard for reciprocal acceptance. I understand that a number of EU countries have already taken steps, positive steps in this direction. There was a query regarding Latin America and the Caribbean. I'm not sure what was meant by the word recognize. As you're aware, a large number of countries in that region are already using made in India vaccines, and that list of countries is available in the public domain. Regarding the issue of vaccination norms and revaccination by other countries across the world, I'm afraid this would depend on the country concerned, so I would not be able to add to this right now. Yatin.
Nainima from The Print is asking, what is the status of the arrival of COVID vaccines that were being promised by USA? Munish Gupta from PIO TV is asking, India is the biggest vaccine manufacturer, with several vaccines cleared for emergency use, import and production being ramped up for Indian vaccine manufacturing. When will India again start supporting other needy nations with vaccine doses needed by them? India was first praised for vaccine diplomacy, then blamed for giving away vaccine. Has that affected policy? Gautam Lahiri is asking, as Finance Minister announced incentive for tourism sector, when reopening of tourist visa is expected, do we have any update on resumption of air bubble? Maha from CNN News 18 is asking, what is the progress on Covaxin's approval by WHO? And I have a similar question from Madhurendra from News Nation.
Okay, on the issue of vaccines, as I have said earlier, government is making all efforts to augment vaccine availability in the country, be it through domestic production or imports. As regards the specific vaccines and the status of their imports into India, this is a matter for the concerned regulatory authorities. Moving on to the issue of supply of vaccines abroad, let me reiterate that currently our priority remains on purposing domestic production to our domestic vaccination program, which, as you know, is progressing rapidly. And as regards the issue of travel into India, these are being dealt by the Health Ministry and the Ministry of Home Affairs. We will certainly share with you if there are any updates in this regard.